Therese, actually, who's one of the brilliant minds behind this song, by the way.
Yes.
She said she imagined daw your voice while she was writing the words of this. How do you feel about that?
Actually, I didn't know that until the song was out, and that when she was able na to post of course, their stories of how the song came to be from there. And actually, sobrang nakakaano kanang makahimbaut ganig balhibo nga that's the case di ay
Diba?
kay murag meant to be jud siya nga mahitabo nga. It's so, syempre for me as a singer, it's so nice pod nga when a songwriter thinks of you when they're writing a song. Parang, syempre that's such a special, that's very, very special. And for it nga, nahitabo jud siya nga ana nga, na it's the song parang finally made its way to me, and we were able to make it work, and na-interpret jud nako. And I think knowing nga happy sad pud sila sa akong interpretation. I mean, it's not too far from sa words po ni Sir Jude. It was his voice on the demo when Ate Therese sent it to me. Pero special lang jud kaayo gid ang song. So I'm very kilig, and I'm very honored, and
Diba?
very, very, it's ana ako kay Ate Therese, it's my pride and joy to finally be able to put my voice on it and